Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shafa Kimiko Damanik. You can call me Miko or Kimiko, and I am from Class C, Public Health Science Study Program in Jambi University. In this video, I'm gonna explain you about medicine. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the medicine that I will explain to you guys. It's called Hufagripp. First is the form of the medicine is liquid or syrup, as you can see right there. The composition of the medicine is paracetamol 120 mg, guaifenesin 50 mg, pseudoephedrine HCl 7.5 mg, and chlorpheniramine maleate 0.5 mg. The indications of the medicine is to relieve flu symptoms such as fever, headache, nasal congestion, sneezing, and coughing with phlegm. The rules of use: children aged 2 to 6 years take 3 times a day, or the equivalent of 1 measuring spoon, which is 5 milligrams. Children aged 6 to 12 years take 3 times a day, or the equivalent of 2 measuring spoons, which is 10 milligrams. The side effects are drowsiness, indigestion, restlessness, insomnia, excitation, tremor, tachycardia, ventricular arrhythmia, dry mouth, palpitations, and difficulty micturition. Excessive and long-term use may cause liver damage. The way to store the medicine. The way to store the medicine is to keep it at temperature below 30 degrees Celsius and tightly closed. After opening, it's stable for 3 months. You need to check well before using the medicine. The expiration date is March 26, 2024, and it just costs 24,800 rupiah. Okay guys, that's all I can say. Hopefully this video can help for anyone who watches it. That's all I can say. I hope this video can help for anyone who watches it. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.